Hi there, I'm Carl Weatherell, the Executive Director and CEO of the Canada Mining Innovation Council, and welcome to the first in the series of Mining Innovation in 5 interviews with CMIC members and CMIC Board of Directors. Today, to kick off this video series, we have Dr. Mark Thorpe. Mark is the CEO of EnviroGold Global, a CMIC member company, and he's also the chair of CMIC's Board of Directors. Welcome, Mark.
Thank you, Carl. Pleasure to be here.
It's awesome to be doing this. So to get started, Mark, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I grew up in a coal mining town in England, and my grandpa was in the mining business. He was the electrical engineer at the coal mine. My uncles, etc., were all in the mine. And so it was a natural progression to me to join the mining business. I didn't particularly want to do the mining bit, but I really enjoyed the corporate responsibility side. So I've worked around the world for the last 30 plus years on 4 continents in more than 30 countries, primarily in corporate social responsibility, and now as the CEO of EnviroGold Global.
Awesome. That it sounds like mining runs in your blood, coming back from when you're a toddler with your entire family, and you've been involved in it virtually everywhere in the world. So what are your thoughts on the future of the mining industry?
Well, I think the future of the mining industry has to be good, because mining is required for the transition to renewable energy. And I think what we probably can do is just work a little bit more to get a better understanding out there of what we do, because we do a lot of it very, very well. And I think where we need to go with this particular case is look out and look at what society needs. They need the metal, and they need us to do it very well.
Awesome, very cool. So you've moved from working with mining companies to now for lack of a better term, a supplier company, EnviroGold Global. Or if I got that wrong, please correct me. So how does EnviroGold Global fit into this future of the industry?
EnviroGold Global believes in the production of metals without mining. To do that, we are able to quickly deploy modular, removable metal recovery plants at sites that have mine tailings. And we reprocess the mine tailings to produce metals, copper, zinc, lead, silver, and gold that are required for the transition economy.
So would you say that modularity in general, Mark, you're talking about that with the perspective of EnviroGold Global, would modularity in general be somewhere where the entire industry could go, whether it's their operations?
I think modularity is an interesting concept, because what we're looking at is we're looking at projects that are 7 to 10 years long.
Yeah.
And we would like to be able to use the equipment, relocate it, and then use it again. And I think the modularity piece, it works well for smaller plants, because we can have multiple units processing sufficient tons to make the metal and the value. And then if we need to adjust one of the units, say there's a change in our feed or something like that, we can adjust it and tweak it without upsetting the entire process. So I like the approach, and I think it's something that will come. Whether it would work for 120,000 ton a day copper processing plant, probably not. But for little units like us, I think it works very well.
Awesome, and that's exactly what I was looking for. So you talked about EnviroGold Global, gave us a bit of background on yourself. What about our innovation organizations like CMIC? Where do we fit in the future, this future of the mining industry?
The mining industry needs innovation, and it needs somebody to coordinate the collaboration between the companies. We have a phenomenal wealth of knowledge and understanding, but getting that knowledge and understanding to come together is the most difficult piece. And somewhere like CMIC can bring all of those partners in together. They can work on projects that have the ability to make a step change in energy consumption or water consumption. And that's where they fit. And it doesn't matter where the partners come from. It's important that they collaborate together.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Any closing thought, Marks?
I'm excited with the way CMIC is going. We've got a couple of projects that are right on the cusp of being commercialized. The whole business the team at CMIC is working towards the commercialization of these projects, and it will be proof that this collaboration model works, and it'll get out. And for me, as a person who's been in CMIC for many years, it's the validation of all the work and effort that we've put it together as a team, that's going to actually make a difference. It's going to make a change. Very pleased to be there. Very pleased to be part of it.
Awesome. Thank you for your time, Mark.
Oh, it's my pleasure, Carl, as always.
And for anybody watching this, if you want any additional information on EnviroGold Global, please feel free to send us an email or text us, whatever, and stay tuned for the next Mining Innovation 5. Thank you very much.
Thank you.